Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, and thank you for tuning in today. It's Friday, 10th of January 2025, and I'm thrilled to share something that can transform your financial future. In today's world, the idea of making money online might sound overhyped, but let me assure you, it's not only possible, but it's also easier than you think when you have the right tools and guidance. Over the next 7 minutes, I'll show you exactly how people, just like you, are earning effortlessly online. Let me start with some proof. Here's my Stripe account. From June 2019 to January 2025, I've earned approximately €115,900. Yes, you heard that right, over €115,000. And this doesn't include income from other platforms like Perfect Money or Binance, where I've received an additional $20,000. Now, let's break this down. Daily earnings. There are days I make €800 to €1,000 without lifting a finger. Just yesterday, I earned €57.30 while going about my regular activities. Withdrawals. I've had withdrawals ranging from €1,788 to as high as €10,900. Imagine waking up one morning to see such amounts deposited into your account. How would that change your life? So, how does this work? It's simple and fully automated. You don't need to spend hours online, share referral links, or chase people. This system is powered by specialized software that does all the heavy lifting. You set it up once, and it starts working for you. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of what you need to do. Visit our website, www.onlineinc.biz. The first step is heading to the site to register. It's a quick and easy process. Register your account, fill out the form, and within minutes, you'll receive the software along with a detailed setup video via email. Install the system. This is where I come in. I'll personally assist you with the installation process, configure the software, and make sure everything is running smoothly. Now, let's talk about results. You might be wondering, is this really possible? The answer is a resounding yes. The reason this works is that it's based on providing a genuine online service that people need. The software automates everything, from the service delivery to the payment process. Once you're set up, you'll start seeing results in as little as a week. Some users even recover their $1,000 investment in just a few days. And yes, the cost is only $1,000, a small price for something that could generate thousands in passive income. Why am I offering this? You might be curious why I'm sharing this opportunity. The truth is, I've seen how powerful this system is, and I want to help others achieve the same level of financial freedom. But there's a catch. I'm limiting this offer to only a few people to maintain the system's integrity. Still unsure? Let me share a story. One of my users, Sarah, joined just 6 months ago. She was skeptical at first but decided to give it a shot. Today, she earns an average of €3,000 per month. She's paid off her debts, started saving for her dream home, and now has the freedom to spend more time with her family. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Imagine waking up every day, knowing that your financial worries are a thing of the past. Imagine having the freedom to travel, invest in your dreams, and live life on your own terms. Join our community. When you sign up, you'll also gain access to our exclusive online group. Here, you can connect with other successful users, share tips, and stay updated on new opportunities. But remember, this offer is for serious individuals only. If you're not ready to commit or have doubts, this isn't for you. But if you're ready to take control of your financial future, then don't wait. Here's what to do next. Visit the website, www.onlineinc.biz. Complete the registration form. Install the software and start earning. The future is in your hands. Make the decision today, and I promise you won't regret it. I look forward to welcoming you into our community and seeing your success story unfold. Thank you for watching, and let's make 2025 the year of financial breakthroughs.